So, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Dada.
Dada, why you called me Dada? Do you know me a little bit?
No. Just I show seen your name on this group, Jafar Bishas.
Okay.
Sometime you message someone, anyone free for session.
Oh,
That's why I call you Dada. There is no specific reason. So my name is Zakir Hossain. I am belong from West Bengal, and
oh,
which is located in Kosbihar. It's not. I am belong from Kosbihar district in West Bengal. I have complete my 7 years service in police. If I talk about my family member, there are 6 members, including me, my parents, my brother, my wife, my daughter in my family, and I have
oh.
working in West Bengal police. That's all about me, brother.
I should respect to you,
Thank you, brother.
isn't it? Okay, thank you. So, do you want me to introduce myself?
Yes, brothers. Yes. Of course. Why not?
Okay, all right. So, as you know that my name is Jafar, which is reflecting on your screen.
Yes.
So, people always prefer to call me Jafar. So, you can call me Jafar. And basically, I'm connecting with you from Kolkata. So, I'm obviously rotated to from your city. And my city name is Krishnanagar. So, my district name is Nadia.
Yes.
And in terms of my education, so I have just completed 10 classes standard. And after that, I quit everything related to my studies. And you can consider me to that I am a part-time YouTuber too. So my channel name is Jafar Driver Talk.
Oh,
So it's all about me.
thank you. That's
And by profession, I am a driver.
by profession you are driver,
Yeah, of course, I am a driver.
but your English is so good.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for your compliment. It's a huge compliment because this is our first time interaction between us, no?
Yes.
So, yeah, it means a lot.
So,
So, brother,
Yes.
yeah, okay, go ahead. You are asking something.
So, brother, what is the reason behind you want to speak English as a driver?
Hmm.
There is a specific reason.
Yeah, without education qualification, so people cannot do anything in their life, no?
Yes, it is right. But
Because,
why you
yeah,
choose English?
okay. So I regret a lot, which why I never get an opportunity to for my higher education, or never get an opportunity for admit in college. So it was kind of remorse for me, no. So it's regretting me a lot. So that's the reason now I am thinking that I can able to allocating my time with the many knowledgeable people if I have n- any extra knowledge, no. So I was trying a lot to learn this language when I was practicing with my co-learner, with my passenger. So, you will be very curious that most of the time I prefer to go to the airport for pick up someone from the foreigner countries, no?
Yes.
So at that moment, I need to talk with them. So that's the reason I am thinking that yes, now it's time to make change yourself. So if you have adequate knowledge with this language, so definitely you can lead your life to the extra mile, no? So that was the reason, yeah.
English is the only one language. If you communicated with the foreigner, that's time you have to speak in English. Then you can
Yeah.
communicate it with them, because as a driver you have lot of responsibility there from the another country, especially in India. That time you are
Yeah.
not driver, you are guide person. You guide them.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So you can have a better opportunity to pick up someone, and your owner always prefer to send you that particular area. Those you can get some foreign passenger, right? So it can be helpful for my journey, for my life, and it can be help my upcoming generation. No, yeah.
Yes. And it gives you extra benefit, extra opportunity, not benefit, extra opportunity for your working purpose.
Of course, and there are one main reason that you are a police and you are a constable, but still you are very curious to talk with me. What is the reason behind it? Because I know a little bit about this language, right? So it makes me happy because I can able to involve with myself with a very knowledgeable people. As I said that because getting people facilities, it is one of my strength, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, it's okay that you have already got your profession, and I am super happy to connect with you because what is the reason behind it that you are a police and already you are getting salary from the our government? So what is the intention behind it that you want to learn this language actually?
So, brother, there is no specific intention to learning this language. So, in
Uh-huh.
2022, India host G20. There was a
Okay.
meeting about tourism department in Siliguri. As a police
Okay.
person, I was security there. Some parts, the various delegate came there from the various country like European, African, American. But
Uh-huh.
I think two-person they from European country. They asked me something in English, but that time
Okay.
I could not communicate it with them in English, and it was the
Okay.
embarrassment for me because I
Okay.
realized that I am a police person. I was a security here right now. If they need anything, at first they asked me because I am a
Uh-huh.
security person, but I could not communicate with them. It was the distracted me also. It is. Then I communicated commitment with myself. One day I will be able to speak English, and this is the reason behind. And there is no specific intention to learning this language.
Okay. So from the looks of it, and it's an indication me that your English is super and you are using so many concrete level vocabularies as
Yes,
well
yes, yes.
with
You
your
are
with your speaking. So in long work hours, no family grind and daily commitment on your family because you have a lot of responsibility with your family members, right? So how do you practice? If
so,
I may know.
brother. There is no specific time. You know that police is the emergency service, and we are involved in the various task of duty like ensure the
Okay.
public safety, maintain the law and order. So when I was free after my duty, I sometime I watch English related videos, sometime I reading, and sometime I
Hmm.
connected with other the people through video call. And this is the way.
Yeah.
And what kind of practice do you do for learning this language?
Oh, you are throwing the same ball in my court, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this is also happened with me because it's a very hard time because I am getting hardly some time to reading something and watching something. But yes, you know that being a diver, sometime I need to rest 8 hours, 1 day, and 3 days like that. If I will get in a trip for Digha, so definitely there will be the 3 days, right? So at that moment, I used to watch use content in English content, yeah. And I have always my one notebook and I try to denote somewhere if I will get any certain topic or any new word and new vocabularies, and then I habitual to practice with them, right?
Yes.
So that's my tactic because yes, I don't have any educated knowledge about the grammar, about the inundation, and so many things you need to improve. So I am already seeking for a lot of places, right?
Yes, brother, if you want to speak in English, no need grammar, no need advanced word. At first, you need
Okay.
fluency because we are not
Okay.
habitual to speak in English. That's why we can't
Mhm.
speak English. At first, we need fluency, and it
Okay.
is also happen with me. At this stage, I don't follow the advanced word. I just practice with the simple way. Those word
Okay.
I know, and simple word is very important for me. You know that, and even I already eat those word in my academic session. That's why I always try to use simple word. It is very beneficial for me. But
Mm.
sometimes you use advanced word. It was very difficult
Mm.
for me, but it is good thing for you. You can use those word.
Yeah, actually, I want to be prolific and I want to be intimate speaker with this language. So definitely, if I will going to interact with some tutor, some advanced level speaker, so at that moment you only cannot use some minimum possible word, right? So you have to add some concrete level vocabularies as well with your sentences, with your structure, which by they can know that you knows better English. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. And it makes your
So
conversation very good.
okay.
When
Yeah,
someone
of
listen
course.
your speaking, they can understand he speak good English.
Yeah, okay. So are you getting any respect from your superior? maybe some of your boss, your superior,
No, no, no,
and their
brother.
inspector and somebody, they
No,
knows
no.
better that you know better English now.
No, 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 brother, no.
Oh, it's already secret. You don't
Yes,
want
it
to
was
reveal.
just because there is no environment and with whom I can practice, but this is the
Mm,
opportunity. I can get
mm.
opportunity to speak with the people over the video call. It is the beneficial for me.
Yeah, okay. So how is weather is there?
It is right now it's comfortable weather, but few days ago it was scorching hot. We cannot tolerate, but nowadays weather is very comfortable. We can visit outside very happily. It
Yeah.
provides actually the
So,
pleasant atmosphere.
okay, it's pleasant atmosphere. Yeah. So a few days ago it was like hotter than hail in outside, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So now you are feeling that so much pleasant weather. Yes, I am also feeling same thing because since couple of days it has raining. No.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because it right now it is going in West Bengal.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. So do you have your day off today?
No, 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 no. I have duty at 5 p.m.
Okay. So.
Right now I am free. That's why I message you for connecting this
Mhm.
session.
Yeah, of course, of course. This is the opportunity, no? Because if you will not consistent with your practice in daily basis, then you will not never get a chance to get a good fluency with this language, no?
But brother, I am not consistency in this language because my schedule is very hectic. You know that police schedule is very hectic. That's why
I
I
know.
am not consistency this language. So when I get free time, that time I connected with people through the video call.
Okay, okay. So,
It was very difficult question, but it is the similar
okay.
because your face is similar to me. Yeah, yes, okay. It is my friend. Jafar is my friend. Don't worry, you can go now.
Okay, all right. Yeah, yes, yes, of course. It's your responsibility to check and each and every time because sometime, yeah, sometime I'm facing plenty of difficulties with those things because I am already full of my papers and full of my all the things, no. But yes, of course, they need to check something. Yeah. So sometimes it is very awkward situation for us because I am in a hurry. So at that moment, police are checking and so many things and paper, driving license, etc. Yeah, it's almost their duty and
Yes,
they have
yes.
responsibility, so they can check it easily. Yeah.
Yes,
So
because
maybe if you, yeah, okay.
brother, it is the order. You know that,
Mm.
and sometimes
Yeah, I know.
the
It's your
everyone.
rules and regulation, so you have to obey the rules and regulation, no?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
we are citizen in our state, so definitely we have to obey the rules and regulation, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So without helmet you cannot ride the bike, so
Yes.
why you are go to the outside without helmet, right?
Yes. But some
Yeah.
people think that if I ride without helmet, then police find me plenty for me. It was plenty for me. But don't afraid to police. It was safety for you. Sometimes,
Yeah, I know very well.
yes, in my service, I see that most of the accident, especially they damage the head.
Hmm.
If they ride without helmet, if they
Yeah.
any accident happen, he can dead. Even he's directly hit
Yeah.
in head. That time it is
Yeah.
no chance to alive.
Yeah, I have already seen so many things happen with those things because most of the bike rider and those are teenager, those are young people, so they don't know how to ride the bike, no?
Yes,
And
yes.
they are, yeah, they're always insensible to reach that places in very short span of time. So at that moment, accident can be happen. Yeah.
Any time accident can be happened with you. So you have to maintain
Yeah.
your rules and regulation. Then you can drive your bike very easily. Why your bike speed is 90 plus 100 plus? Because a bike is
Okay.
your money is your. So why you are
Okay.
hurry and why you are
Okay.
afraid to police? Because when
Okay.
you
So
maintain everything, then you don't need to afraid to police.
okay. So have you ever been to Krishnanagar in our local city?
So many time I
Which
visit Krishnanagar, Ranaghat, Karimganj,
uh,
Kalyani.
okay. Okay. All right. So it was nice talking to you, sir. So
It was a lovely conversation with you. Thank you, Jafar. Tata, bye.
thank you.